Want to know how to fix the Agoda application not working on Android? So if your Agoda application is not working, is crashing or having any other issues, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm just going to show you some small tricks that might help you fix it. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Agoda application and check what the error is for. So if it's about internet connection, just simply log out and log in again, and it should sometimes work out. Next, just simply head towards its app settings. So just simply hold on it and head towards app info. So this is if your Agoda keeps crashing or does not respond. So once you're there, on the bottom right side you should be saying clear data. Just simply select it and then select clear cache right here. Select OK, and then all of your cache should be cleared of Agoda. Now you can just reopen and all the box will be fixed. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.